Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Simply Makeup. If you find this channel for the first time, welcome. Returning subscribers, thank you all for coming back. All my viewers, thank you again for coming back. I appreciate all of you all. In today's video, we're gonna jump right into it. I just created this eye look where it's a simple back to school eyeshadow look. Check it out, it's on YouTube. And when you check that out, check another one out and share it with other people. Let them know I am on YouTube. And if you decide to start a YouTube channel, go ahead and do that and have fun with it. Always have fun with it, because if not, it will frustrate you. So again, let us start. I am into the Garden of Juvia's. Juvia's came out with this. I did a couple looks. It's up on YouTube. I have playlists. Check my playlist out. Here on this channel, I like to motivate. This is what the palette looks like. I like to leave you with an encouraging word at the end. Every now and then, I'm centering myself. Every now and then, I will try to do talk-throughs. I'm trying to do more talk-throughs so you know a little bit more about me and what it is, why I like to encourage people, why I like to motivate people, why I like to, be your cheerleader and push you a little bit every day to do something different for yourself, or just to know that you are loved. So that's me. So that's what I like to do on this platform. In today's video, I am going to put a spin on pastel again. I did a spin on pastel and use a black base. That's on YouTube. Check it out. Today I'm going to make pastel brown. No one have ever seen a brown pastel except on this channel, so we are making pastel brown. You want to see that? Stay tuned. Watch all the way to the end so I can get my watch time hours on YouTube. And the bonus at the end is the encouraging word. If you watch the video, stay for the encouraging word. If you skip the video and go to the encouraging word, I hope it helps you, but then it doesn't help keep my videos on YouTube so other people can get the encouragement. You see how that works? It's like you skip the video and you go straight to the end. The encouraging word helped you, but it didn't help enough people because YouTube is not going to put my video there if people skip through and get to the end. So please, let it play all the way to the end so you get a bonus, and then it will get to go out and help other people. This is our goal, for us to uplift other people. That is why if you watch it, it gets to go out more and more people get it. You never know, it will reach the people it needs to when the timing is right. Nothing is done without timing. But at the same time, we want to push it. By watching it, we push the videos out there. Thank you in advance. Now let us make pastel brown. Let us make pastel brown. There's so many colors I want to dive into in here, so maybe we'll do a couple of the colors, but as you can see, my base is already kind of brown, so we're going to make pastel brown. Let us do that. We start. It is so much fun when I open a palette that is just screaming. Calls my name every time. If you're new on this channel, you know I have hooded eyes and I love colors. And I also have a pretty sexy accent. My accent is from the Commonwealth of Dominica. Over in Dominica, they speak patois. Patois is a broken French. Oh, I'm using the purple. The purple name is called Purple Orchid. So I'm using this purple orchid right here. How many colors I'm going to use, I don't know yet, but we will see. So yeah, Dominica is situated all the way to the bottom of the Caribbean, and it is between two French countries or islands, or however you want to call it. Martinique is to the south and Guadeloupe is to the north. On a nice bright night, in the horizon, we were able, back then when there was no electricity, we were able to see car lights from Dominica to Martinique. When I tell Dominica is far in the Caribbean, it is far. But Dominica is also untouched. They call it the Nature Island. The village I'm from is called the Cultural Village for the whole of Dominica. Growing up with it, lots of stuff. There was something called ballet. It's a dance. I mean, they play the drums and people would have their costume and the girls would have nice pleated skirts. I mean, gorgeous. And the guys would have their nice pants on and the cummerbund, they call it, that piece that goes around the waist. If you know the right name, put it in the comments for me, please. And they would dance. That's one thing I must say I never learned to dance. I can do it, but I'm telling you, there's an art to this thing. You put your feet one way and you dance and you dance. I mean, when you watch it, it's like you just absorb your whole self in it. And I used to love to watch it. And we had a guy in our neighborhood, like he was like 2 houses away from our house, and he used to dance this stuff. And there's a section of the dance they call Jing Ping, where the person kind of stand up. Like, you know, like when you go to the bullfight, the guy in the ring, he stands with the fan and he goes like this. And I mean, that's there's a section in the dance, people stand up and I never learned how to do it. But I can do a couple. I can do like the little pieces and stuff like that. You know, sometimes I'm walking around the house and I'm like dancing the ballet and the jimping, and you know, it's not as good as the people that was doing it, but I'm telling you, it was good. I'm going into the next color called Flower Child. It's another purple right here. But I'm telling you, it is an art. And we used to have competitions. We used to have competitions for ourselves. And then the big competition used to happen in the capital of Dominica, which is Roseau. And I tell you, people used to get so excited. I never went because my mom would not let me go there at that age. No way, Jose. But when they come back, the excitement, you know, everybody waiting for their kids to come back. And the excitement people had when they come back and they say they win, oh my God. Oh, it was good. It was excellent. But this is one of the stuff that used to happen in my village. I tell you, we had so many things going on. Talking about it, I'm getting excited. I think I'll take best buds right here. But I am telling you, this used to be the highlight of ballet season. And I don't know if they still do it, because I mean, the last time I went to Dominica was 2016. I took my whole family because I wanted them to see where I was born, and also to see my mom. At the time, she had moved back there. She retired and moved there. So I told them, since it's not someplace I go often, let's go visit and to see where the mama raised and come from, you know. So we had a nice 10-day trip there and they loved it. Well, one kid didn't really care for it. He's like, oh, the road's so small and this and that. He find all kinds of stuff. But we went to so many places. We had a driver. My dad was also down there, so he paid for a driver to drive us around, one of his friends. And the guy's a tour guide, so he took us to places that I've never been to in Dominica in my life. Beautiful. We went to the Sulphur Springs. We went to the Emerald Pool. The water is the color of emerald. It is so pretty. Dominica is so lush. Dominica is green. Dominica is undeveloped compared to the other Caribbean islands. And I'm telling you, it is a beautiful place. It is a beautiful place. 2016 was the last time I was there. I'm going in with a brown right now from the quad, from the lip bar, and this one is called Smoking. This one is called Smoker's Lounge. So I'm going to use the brown in there, and we're going to go and make this pastel brown. Let's make pastel brown. Don't be afraid of pastel. Change it to what you want it to be. It doesn't always have to stay what you think it needs to be. You know what I mean? Let's change pastel into brown and rock that color. As you can see, most of my face makeup is already done because I had a look. So you can go check that look out, which is called the back to school makeup look, and watch that and share it also. I appreciate it very much. I truly appreciate everybody who watch my videos, everybody who view my videos. I am just so excited to be on YouTube meeting all these beautiful people, and I'm truly grateful for that. Truly grateful for that. I talk to some of y'all behind the scenes during the day. It might not be every day, but whenever I think of you all, I send a text or a DM. But it is, you know, and the ones I can send DM to, when I think of you, I say prayer. Anytime I think of somebody, I always say a little silent prayer. Always, 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 always. So we turn pastel brown. This is how I turn pastel brown. Did I turn pastel brown? Take a look. Did I? Back to what I was saying for the Dominica, the cultural, my village was the cultural village. Yeah, but the dance was ballet. That's what we call it in Patois. I don't know what they call it in English, but if you look it up, Google it, ballet is a French word. Like I say, we have Guadeloupe to the north and Martinique to the south. So we are jammed in the middle. So the dialect from breakdown from French to Creole to Patois. Patois is a breakdown of all of that. So it's different. Like if I wanted to ask you what's your name, I would say Saki now. It's like, what is your name? Saki now. So that's the dialect we spoke, and that was the main language, and then English second. But now more people speak English than Patois. Today's encouraging word is by Robert Louis Stevenson, and it says, make the most of the best and the least of the worst. Well said. Make the most of the best and the least of the worst. That is today's encouraging, empowering, inspirational word. Use it the way that best fits you. Let me know if you like this kind of videos. I enjoy making them. I'll get tidbits about me here and there. Some days it might be quiet, some days you'll get a little tidbit. But other than that, we're rocking brown pastel. I made pastel brown and I am wearing it and I am loving it. And I hope that you are doing better today than you did yesterday. Yesterday is gone. Today is here and now is now. I hope that you are doing better today than you did yesterday. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying to leave your bad self and have fun. Life is short. Enjoy it to the fullest. Bye. See you soon in the next video.